You see it? So it says that we had a paper jam. Oh,
Living life every day, late at night,
there you go.
not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try it.
Hello, good afternoon, guys. Today with us today, we have this HP Smart Tank 515 all-in-one printer. So this one can print, scan, and copy. So what if, guys, if you encountered the paper jam problem? So for example, if you want to print or you want to photocopy, how would you solve a paper jam problem? Right, let me demonstrate to you. For example, we want to perform a photocopy.
I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust the gut, it can show you what you want. Living life every day, every night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
It performs the photocopy now.
All I need are some better days. It's all I want.
Just have to wait for a few moments. Right. Now, as you can see, it did not push through. It was supposed to print the photocopy, but you've encountered this kind of problem. So this, alright, so as you can see, there's an error there. You see it? So it says that we had a paper jam, so meaning we have to resolve this and try to look at where is the problem. So guys, in dealing HP printers, especially for DeskJet printers, there is a way, a proper way to solve this kind of problem. So if there is a paper jam problem, there is or there might be, like for example, an object that obstructs the paper. That's very common. So how do you check that? So you can check it at the bottom. Okay, let's see. So let's check at the bottom. At the bottom of the printer, you see this object here, this white just okay, this white, this one. So you just have to open that and check if there is an object inside that obstructs the paper from coming out. So to check, just to open. Oh, there you go. So we have a wire, no? So this one causes the paper jam, or some maybe say a ball pen or a coin inside, a paper clip. So that's the common object that maybe inside your printer that obstructs the paper coming out. Okay, so if you've already removed that object, so you can just close this part in here. Okay, and after closing that, okay, let's see now. Sorry. So if you can remove the paper here, then that's okay. So you can just put it back again. Okay. Let's see if there's another, or so I believe there's no more obstruction, but see to it that you've close the door. No? But actually it's a door. It's the door part of the printer, no, wherein you can get the jam objects. Okay. So let's try again if you can push this issue. See if it will print. Right. There you have it. So it's printing. Okay. So I think that's all for my side. I hope I've shared a simple solution. So when you encountered a paper jam problem, especially on HP printer, so that's how you solve it. So thank you for watching this video. Hope I can share another video for you. So thank you, and bye.
Show you what you want. Living life every day, late at night, not okay.